Hi, it's Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Of course, I'm not really naked, but I'm here to bring you some naked recipes and some new ideas for healthy eating. So this recipe we're making today is a fat-free dressing for coleslaw. So dressings are what get people into trouble because they're always laden with fat and lots of calories unnecessarily. So here we're going to make a simple dressing using fat-free Greek yogurt, some plain old ordinary brown mustard, and some balsamic vinegar. That's it. So we're just going to simply mix these all together. 1 cup of fat-free Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. So now we have a nice thick creamy dressing, and we're going to add this right to our coleslaw. So just going to pour that on, and we're going to gently mix. So what I want to tell you about this coleslaw is it's not your you're probably saying it doesn't look like typical coleslaw because it's not. And you can easily just buy already chopped up cabbage and carrots and use that as your coleslaw. But what I did was I took some collard leaves and I chopped them finely, and I added some carrots, and I added some raisins and some celery for crunch, and a little bit of apple. And you have a really different kind of coleslaw going on here with a nice, delicious, fat-free dressing. No guilt, healthy, delicious coleslaw. So feel free to use this fat-free dressing on whatever salad or greens you like. You don't have to worry. It's quick, easy, and really healthy. So I'm Rosie Batista from iCookNaked.com. Ciao for now while I chow on this.